Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to draw the external area in just a few minutes? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. On the floor plan page, click External Area in the Material panel on the left. Enter the External Area drawing page. Use the tools in the top toolbar to create the desired area. Once completed, click Finish in the top right corner. Then switch to 3D view to check the effect. You need note that the external area feature involves using the top tools to draw a closed area, forming an independent slab without ceilings or walls as an external area. Click on the external area. You can modify the room name in the property panel on the right. Essentially, the external area is treated as a room with room attributes. You can set the room name, but the room type as outdoor cannot be changed. That's all. Thanks for watching.